triple M. Outside triple M. Triple M is, first M is money, second M is muscle, and third M is men. When I say men, it just simply means people, not a gender. Men means people. So money, muscle, men. Money, of course, money, financially strong. Muscle, power. Power, like you are in a powerful position in government, in politics, or whatever. And men, like public support, people around you supporting you. So you have these three things, triple M with you, your life would be sorted. Even if you have one, your life is sorted. You can attract other two.